Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and in the last couple of years, I have noticed that my eyebrows have become a little more sparse. Something that has helped me to counteract that and to get the eyebrow look that I want is this Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. It's dual-ended, so on one end you have the actual eyebrow pencil, and on the other side you have a spoolie for brushing out your eyebrows. I really like the fact that each of these ends has distinct caps on them, since I've had eyebrow pencils in the past that have identical caps on either ends, and I can never remember which side is the pencil and which side is the spoolie brush. With this pencil, I never have to play that guessing game again. The pencil itself goes on really nicely and it has a very fine tip, so I can make these really natural looking hair-like strokes. It's a waterproof formula, so it's not ultra creamy, which I think is excellent because this means that it'll be long wearing. I find that I have to apply a little bit of extra pressure in order to get it to mark, which I actually love because it means that it prevents me from making a big mess. The color is absolute perfection and it blends in with my own natural eyebrow color seamlessly. This eyebrow pencil has become my new favorite for getting those super desirable face framing eyebrows. But that's just my point of view.